Hey guys, welcome back to another Floor Sculpture video. So firstly, thank you to everybody that's shown me love and subscribed. I really do appreciate it. And everybody that's commented on the videos, man, I'm getting so much love and yeah, it's really good. So a lot of you from all over the world as well are also, checking in and seeing how I'm doing. But some really good news for all of you is we've got a new heart. So this is version 2 of FC Boosted. So this is an engine that's covered 110,000 miles, so it's a little bit more than I really wanted, but I've got paperwork with this as well. Plus I get a free warranty, well I get a month's warranty with it, but I'm going to lose that as soon as I start opening it up. So that's the plan tonight. I'm not going to do, a full-length video showing you me breaking it down. I might put a couple of clips in after this, or in between some other takes. But yeah, so this is the engine. This is the new heart of the Type R. I am really buzzing. Like I say, it took a while to find, a good one, or at least some, an engine with paperwork. So yeah, I'm just pleased I've got it now. I've got it on the stand. I'm going to dismantle it, but also I've got a diff as well. So I've got the diff sorted for the gearbox. That's something else I could be cracking on with. So I got a really good deal from Johnny at Tegua, so I appreciate that. You're probably not watching this video, but if you do, thank you very much. I appreciate it, mate. But yeah, trying to turn this the garage into a bit of a surgery, to be fair. Got tables both sides. It's not the best. I'm trying to keep it clean. I've cleaned all the back up. Obviously that shelf could be done with been renewed, but yeah, too busy sorting all this stuff out. So what's up? It's the second night of the engine teardown. So I had a bit of an issue trying to get the pulley bolt off. It was fucking super tight. Anyway, Ben came down, give us a quick hand. So yeah, so head's off now. I'll show you the head, I'll show you the bores as well. Looks fairly good nick, to be fair. Not like I'm an engine expert or anything like that, but we'll let the machine shop be the judge of it. So let me show you now. So this is inside bore 1. There's a little bit of scratching just at the top there. We can still see the honing marks. And then if I take you over to the desk, which was clean, so the cam's looking pretty good nick as well, pretty much comparable to mine. Nothing really to see there. And then underneath looks fairly good as well. One thing that we did notice is in the exhaust port, one of them was slightly leaking, so it could be which one was it? I think it was this one that was kind of wet, but all the rest of them look fairly dry, so it could be a stem seal. I made like a little sticker board. Obviously I've got loads of space, so if you guys have got any stickers and want to send them in, just feel free to do so. Like I say, I'm no engine expert, but I'm keen to learn, keen to try it out. So the next step now really is that I get the bottom end off this, just take the girdle off, take the crank out, I'll inspect that and I'll show you that in a sec. The bottom end's off now, so the girdle is over there next to the head, so I'm going to cover them in a minute because I'm wrapping up now. It's about 9:30 at night. I don't know if you can see, but the crank looks in really good health. There's definitely no wear. So looks in pretty good shape, and the piston, well, the conrod bearings as well, they're looking pretty good nick. So all in all, I think we've got a decent block, a decent crank. Just need to strip the rest of it off now. I've got a ball gauge coming, so I'm just going to have a play around with that. I'll not film that, but yeah, effectively it's stripped down as much as I can get it now. The head I'm going to strip down as well, because I'll probably get the head skimmed. I think that's the best way to go, just in case I warped it when taking it apart. I'll probably need to clean it up before I send it to the machine shop, but I need to take all the valves out. So one thing I did learn is the way to size your bearings, like your conrod bearings and stuff, is these markings here. So the BB, BB, and then also on the girdle as well. I'll take you over to that. There's markings here. You can't. There you go. DDDD. So there's an actual piece of paper within the like maintenance manual. It tells you how to size your OEM bearings. Now, again, I'm in two minds of what to do. I don't know whether to go for ACL bearings, like standard size bearings, or go OEM. So if anybody's built an engine, or you've had an engine built, if you could just leave any comments below what you recommend, and also any pistons or rods that you've used in the past. Obviously it's it's helpful, because like I say, I'm no expert at this. I'm having a go at it. I'm learning on the job. I've got quite a good number of people around me that are just guiding me down the road. So yeah, we're going to make this thing absolutely awesome. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, because it really helps. And again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're almost at 500, well, I say almost, we're at, I think, 428. So if we get to 500, I'm going to give that piston away to some lucky person. So yeah, like I say, like it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.